Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you 41 movie applications you should have on your Android TV. Can you imagine 41 movie applications you can install and use to watch movies on your Android TV? And these applications are without subscriptions, so you can install any one of them. I'm going to show you 41 of these movie applications and how you can install them to your Android TV, Smart TV, Fire Stick, or any TV that you're using. This is very simple. So you might want to like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this, and watch this video right up to the end. So let's get started. So as I just said, I'm going to show you 41 movie applications and how to install them to your Android TV. Now, to do that, we have to follow a process, and the first process is for us to install the application called Unlinked application. Because for us to have access to these 41 movie applications, we need the Unlinked application. And I'm going to show you everything from how to install the Unlinked application, to adding a code, to seeing the library, and also how to install applications from that library. So for us to install the Unlinked application, which is the application we need, we'll have to use another application called Downloader. Downloader is another application that we use. Now, Downloader is an application that you use to install apps from the internet without necessarily having a Play Store. So if you have Downloader on your Android TV, it's a very important and good application. You can use it to install applications without Play Store to your Android TV. Here is Downloader, so just go ahead and launch it. Now, if you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, do not worry. In the description of this video, I have added a link that will help you install Downloader to your Android TV. So just go through the link right now and learn how to install Downloader. If you already know and you already have it on your Android TV, just go ahead and launch it, and this is how it's going to look like. Downloader is very easy to use. So when you launch it, here's how it's going to look like. This is a Downloader app, and this is how it looks like. For us to install the Unlinked application, we need to type in a code in Downloader, and the code is very simple. So in Downloader, sometimes when you type in a code, it's just going to go ahead and install a particular application. And in this case, we're going to be typing in a code to install an application using Downloader. So just come over to this box over here and then type in the code that I'm about to show you. So here is the code 10381. Once you type in that code, just go ahead and click OK or Go. What is going to happen is that if the code is OK, Downloader is going to go straight away to download the Unlinked app or the file to Unlinked app. So the Unlinked application is just going to start downloading straight away. So the application has downloaded successfully. What you have to do now is to install it to our Android TV. Click install, and the application is going to go ahead and install to our Android TV. Now the application has installed. Once you're done installing, just click on done, and then delete the app file from your Android TV to save space. After deleting the app file, just move back home. Once you come back here, you're going to realize that the Unlinked application has been installed. As you can see on my screen, here's the app. You will just go ahead and launch it. Unlinked is very easy to use, though it's not complicated. As I said, we need codes, or we need a library to access the 41 movie applications that you should have on your Android TV. So to add a library, just go ahead and click on add new library. We're going to add a library because to use Unlinked, you need a library. The code we're going to be using in this case is called everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the code everything. So here is the code everything. That's the code. Once you type in the library code, just go ahead and click on OK. So this is just one of the library codes we're using. If you want more library codes for your Unlinked application, there is a video on my channel called 10 best secret Unlinked codes that you can use to have unlimited applications on your Android TV. Just check my channel for that video, and you can get up to 10 codes to use on your Android TV with Unlinked. So here is the code. The library is called Android Tweaks, and once you are here, just go ahead and click on enter of the applications. And remember, I want to show you 41 movie applications that you can install to your Android TV. So once you're here, just scroll down to movies. You see, this is this category called movies. If you scroll to the right, you're going to discover 41 different applications in this category. So there are 41 of these applications here, and each of these applications has no subscriptions. You don't have to pay any subscriptions. So there are 41 of them. You can count, you can take your time and count out 41 of them. And if you are not enough, there are other applications like live TV applications. You can choose any one that you are interested in and install. So for instance, if you choose an application like this one and you want to install, just click on it once and there's a pop-up that is going to show up called download. So you just click on download and the application is going to be downloaded to your Android TV. After downloading, just go ahead and install and you start using. So these are 41 mobile applications that you can install into your Android TV and start using without any subscription. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.